Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today I'm reviewing the Razer Blade 18, the latest premium gaming laptop from Razer. This beast is hopping on the 18-inch screen trend, and it's packed with some serious power. But is it worth it? If you want more information about this laptop, check out the link in the description below. So, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. First up, let's talk about the display. The Razer Blade 18 features a stunning 18-inch QHD screen with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 and a super-fast 240Hz refresh rate. This screen is a gamer's dream, delivering sharp, vibrant visuals that make your games look incredible. Plus, with G-Sync support, you get ultra-smooth gameplay with no screen tearing. Whether you're gaming or watching movies, this display really stands out. Now, onto the hardware. Inside, the Blade 18 is rocking an Intel Core i9-13950HX processor, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. This setup means blazing fast performance for all your tasks, from multitasking and streaming to running the latest games. And speaking of games, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU with 16 GB of VRAM ensures you can play the newest titles at high settings without breaking a sweat. The GPU also supports DLSS 3, which uses AI to boost frame rates, making your gaming experience even better. When it comes to performance, the Razer Blade 18 doesn't disappoint. It handles productivity tasks like a champ and excels in gaming benchmarks. The RTX 4080 delivers high frame rates at QHD resolution, even in demanding games. You'll enjoy sky-high frame rates at 1080p, making full use of that 240Hz display for a buttery-smooth gaming experience. Sound quality is solid too. The speakers deliver clear and loud audio, which is great for gaming and media consumption. While it won't replace a high-end external speaker setup, it does a good job for most uses. Let's talk about connectivity and extras. The Razer Blade 18 is loaded with ports, multiple USB Type-A and Type-C ports, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, an SD card slot, and an Ethernet port. This means you can connect all your peripherals with ease. The full HD 5-megapixel webcam is decent for video calls, though it's not as sharp as some standalone webcams. One of the best things about this laptop is its design. Despite being an 18-inch laptop, it's sleek and all-metal, which feels super premium and sturdy. The touchpad is large and very responsive, one of the best out there. However, the keyboard feels a bit small for the size of the laptop and lacks a numpad, which might be a letdown for some users. But the per-key RGB backlighting, customizable through Razer's Synapse software, is a nice touch. Battery life is where the Blade 18 is just okay. It lasts around 6 hours and 34 minutes under moderate use, which is pretty average. It's fine if you're using it at your desk most of the time, but not ideal for long trips without access to a power outlet. So, what's the verdict? The Razer Blade 18 is a powerhouse with a beautiful display and top-notch build quality. It's definitely on the pricier side, and while it has some performance limitations compared to bulkier competitors like the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18, it's a great choice if you value sleek design and premium feel. If you're looking for the absolute best performance and bang for your buck, you might want to check out other options like the Scar 18. But if you're after a well-made, high-performance gaming laptop with a fantastic design, the Razer Blade 18 is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, the Razer Blade 18 is an impressive machine that balances power and style. It's a great fit for gamers who want top-tier performance without compromising on design. However, the high price tag and some minor drawbacks, like average battery life and a condensed keyboard, might make you think twice. Overall, it's a solid choice for those who can afford it and appreciate the premium Razer experience. So here is the review of the Razer Blade 18. If you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.